Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. This week, as I mentioned yesterday, uploaded video is all over the place. Next week we'll be back to Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. Right, so today going to be share how to make some super cute paper flowers. Is one technique. You can make three, well I show you, I'm sure you can make more, but in this video I'll show you how to make different styles with this technique. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna do a video, actually a project inspired by my lovely YouTube auntie. Her name is Auntie D. It's got a YouTube channel called Betsy Doodles, and I will put all the link down below. And Dee has made these flowers done as an inspiration that she took from Mag, which has got a YouTube channel called Wasting Time with Maggie, and her took inspiration from another lady, which is unfortunately I cannot remember the name, and I'm sure this lady took this project as an inspiration for another lady. So it's like a journey, it's like a chain, like everybody take inspiration from one another and do something a bit different. So I will put in the link down below the video where Dee shows how to make these flowers, so you can go and see her version, because it's the same technique, it's just a different effect. And Dee also has an Instagram account, so I made a purchase, and I will put Dee's link down below, because she made a lot of flowers. So she sells the one I'm making today, but she also sells those one here. So they're stuck together, but that's all right because I can save them. It's literally doodle flowers made with painted paper. So she painted the paper on the background, she doodled the flowers, and then she fussy cut. A lot of patience, a lot of time in this. So I made a little purchase, so please go and check it out. On the moment of filming, Dee has a sale, I guess, but I don't know by the time you watch this video if the sale will be on. But these flowers are absolutely lovely, they're gorgeous, and I saw them, I was like, no, I need to purchase some because I want some. They just make me very happy because they're very, very colourful. And she also sent me some free goodies. They got these embellishment pads. They are sticker pad, I've never seen it before, so it's done very clever. So they're embossed and they're coloured, so that's interesting. Thank you, Dee. And also these cabochon, I think they're called. Very, very vintagey, very nice. I love them. So they will be a good use. Thank you. And that's the card. Dee's very famous. I'm sure you all know Dee, but again, just go and check it out because she made the most amazing painted paper. She's very proper, very talented artist. She plays a lot with colours. I love that. So it's one of her hard work. And then the front, she said, to Antonio, thank you for your custom crafty hacks, Auntie D. And then you find her on YouTube, Betsy Doodle, on Instagram, and that's her email, and that's the hair doodle. So I quite like. Okay, so let me move this out the way. Okay, so let me show you the technique, and then I'll show you what I've done last night, because I was very, very excited. So on a piece of paper, well, we just need a palette, so I'm using paper, but you can use plastic, you can use a plastic plate, excuse me, anything that you want. On here I just put 4 different colors, and I don't know what you're going to see on camera because I've got 2 bright lights shining on it, but it's 4 different shades of blue. On the one I done it yesterday, which I'm going to show you in just a second, I use different colors. So you just need a balloon, just a plastic balloon, and we're going to use the back of it. Okay, so we're just going to use that one. So what you need to do, you need to press the balloon on that and kind of like twist it. That's the secret. So you twist it so the flowers looks like pansies, but I'm not too bothered what they will look like. So instantly, as you can see, pick the colors and then you just press it. So that's the result, and I don't really know what you can see, but never mind. It's quite addictive, so once you start you don't know where to finish. And some of them, and I'll show you in I'm going to zoom in so you can show you near on camera. Okay, I'm going to use this one actually as well. Okay, so let me just get the balloon out of the way. So when I pop the balloon, instead of popping it, I'm just going to cut it there, because I don't want that go in the bin. So that's, let me show you. I don't really know what you can see. Now you see here you got this detail of the paint. Oh yeah, ooh, hello. So if you bother about that, you just need to put less paint, but I quite like the texture. So they do look like pansies. And when I originally watched the video, these videos, so oh my god, I want to play with this because they look so much fun. And honestly guys, they are fun. They're quite addictive, and although they're very, very similar because it's the same, I mean, I have on this one I have used 4 colors, but you can use as many colors as you want. I must admit, I do like having the same shades, the same colors in different shades. So before I make a mess, because I know myself very well, let me show you what I made last night. So they were the palettes. So that one there, green, white and yellow, are those ones. Can you see the texture of the colors? Well, I love it, love it, love it, love it. I love this purple one. It's blue, purple and green, and I love the yellow. This looks like a proper pansy. This one does, but I wasn't bothered about that. I was just experimenting with the colors. So those one are tiny because I didn't press as much. So you got to press harder so your print is bigger, because if you only put that little tiny bit, you only get a small one. On here I have used some metallic paint, so that's copper. Love these. And I've got one more page. I've done typically me, so I've done that one. I pressed it and then balloon just fell off. I just lost control or lost the grip of the balloon, and it just, but that doesn't matter. Still nice, still quite like it. This is my favorite. I love the blue, the burgundy and the copper. I think it works really well together. Now Wendy did the original video, so the project was, so you can go and check it, when she made these flowers, she now doodling on them. So let me zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. So on this is the base. So what she did, she got a Sharpie, I guess, and then she kind of drew like a flower. In the middle she put something black, and then she had some white bit, and then she stamped on them. So let me show you her version. Let me just do it all together. Don't need to be precise, because the more uneven they look, the better, I think. And then I'll just put some white in it. So that's the way that Dee did it. I'm just going to cut it. I'm not going to fussy cut one by one just yet, because I'm going to show you 3 different ways to decorate these flowers. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to use some stamps. I recommend you use something that's got quite a lot of texture in it, because a lot of these will be missed on the colors on the background. So I'm definitely going to use this one. So I'm not bothered about getting a block. I'm just going to ink it. You can use any stamps that you have, anything that you like, and I'm just going to cover the white bit You don't have to be precise whatsoever. I just want these geometric things to show a bit more. Yeah. Might do something like that. I might use some of the writing actually, because there is some writing in here. Yeah, I love that. And the last, let's use the writing. There. There. You decide how much coverage you want. Yeah, okay. The stamping scrub is one of my favorite tools on this planet. So you spray. In fact, I think it's still wet. Still wet? Oh well. So you spray, that's the wet side, and that's the clean side. Ta-da! Totally clean, and I can go back into the sheet. Remember, when you craft, put it away, don't drop it, so you don't have to tidy up later. Okay, so this is one version. Look how cute those flowers are. I love them, love them, love them. Now I'm going to show you a different way to decorate them. Another way, guys, if you simply drawing like Dee did, you simply drawing a flowers on these colors. You don't need to be precise whatsoever. So you draw the flower, and then we do exactly the same thing with the stamp. So kind of, that is the middle. Am I in shot? Yeah. And we do another one. And then for this one, I will probably use just the writing one there. You don't have to, you know, stamp on top of it. If you like, oops, I'm so clumsy. If you like them as they are, you can just fussy cut them. But I do like to add textures and detail. Okay, so I fussy cut them, but what I'll probably do, I'll just come back with a white one, with my the white jelly paint, and just going to create just some detail in the middle, so you can see. You can see them better. What do you think? Super cute. But as you guys know, if you watch my videos religiously, you know that my favorite #1 ever set of Stampin' Up that I absolutely adore and love and use all the time is the Painty Poppies. So you get the stamp. So the stamps are here, which is those ones. That one. And then I also bought, I had this for years, and I also bought the matching dice. So what I thought we would do, we're going to using the black, because I love black. I'm going to pick the bigger ones. Oh, definitely that one. Yeah, I'm going to die cut a few of these with black cardstock. And then we're going to glue these on top of that and then fussy cut it. Okay, give me a few minutes. I'm going to cut a few of those and I'll be right back. Okay, so I print the fonts, the letters on the flowers. So what I thought, but I hope it works. Yes. So we glue the die cut. I'm just going to do one with you because you don't want me, because it's the same process, so you don't want me watch. You don't want to watch me doing this all over again. Got ink everywhere, but never mind. Part of the game. Okay, and that's the third way. Now, don't know where you can see. Oh yeah, perfect. So in the middle, I've got here those ones. So this the element. Oh, I think I'm going to go for this one here. Yeah, so I will probably die cut this in gold and put it in there, but I'm going to do them all, cut them, and show you the final result. Okay, little change of mind as usual. I have used my Winsor & Newton Pro Makers, love them, and I have coloured the what's it called, stem? Is that called stem? Anyway, so this little bit thing with the same colors of the background. So this one is half yellow, it's half blue. You can see it on camera if I zoom it in, but on the back it looks like it's all blend with the background. This one is blue and red. When I fussy cut it, I left some white space just to give that extra dimension. It's blue and purple, and that one there. Now if I get them on the plain surface so you can see them all, if I get a white background, let me get the white background so you can see them all. So 3 different ways of making flowers using the balloon techniques. So 3 different styles. So if you like flowers, let me zoom out. So if you look like flowers more clean, like the top, or more artistic, there you got them. What do you guys think? Let me know down the comments. So I'm really interested to see what you guys think, which one you prefer, and also if you make them, considering join my Facebook group and share your projects there so everybody takes inspiration from one another. It's a very interactive platform, so if you do make them, share them over there so everybody can see them. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and you enjoy see me making all these flowers that are dropping out my hands like this. This is like it's raining flowers instead of raining man. Guys, there is a YouTube playlist here on my channel, and I will link it somewhere here in the video where you can see all my previous videos on how to create paper flowers. There is tons of video on YouTube, but in this playlist I show you my ways to make them. Keep watching guys, and until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.